Hello, ESL teachers! Today we're diving into the magic of stories and how they help students read with phonics. Ready? Let's go! Meet Lucy. She loves learning new words and is excited to read with us today. Say hi, Lucy!
Hi, everyone! I can't wait to have fun with phonics.
Let's begin. Get ready for some phonics fun with Lucy. Today we'll focus on the AG and AM word families. With our fun story, Rusty's Fun with the Flag. Encourage students to say each sound aloud before blending. It builds confidence and fluency. And now, let's blend some sounds together. Okay, Lucy, click each color to reveal the letters.
Ba. Ga.
Ba, g, bag. Great! Now let's try another one.
Ga.
G, tag. Awesome job, Lucy! Now let's see these words in a fun story. Story time. Rusty's Fun with the Flag. Rusty was a happy boy. He had a big flag with a red tag. One sunny day, Rusty waved the flag in the yard. "Look at my flag!" Rusty said with a big smile. The flag flapped and swayed in the breeze. Rusty was so glad to see it wave. He ran around and made the flag drag behind him. "This is so fun," Rusty said as he laughed. Wow, Rusty is having so much fun! Giving students choices makes learning more interactive and personal. All right, Lucy, time for a fun choice. Pick your favorite ice cream. If you choose cherry, read one sentence. If you choose banana, read the next one. Ready?
I picked cherry. I love to read.
All right, you picked cherry, so I'll take banana. Great, read this sentence.
Rusty was a happy boy.
He had a big flag with a red tag.
One sunny day, Rusty waved the flag in the yard.
"Look at my flag," Rusty said with a big smile.
The flag flapped and swayed in the breeze.
Rusty was so glad to see it wave.
He ran around and made the flag drag behind him.
"This is so fun," Rusty said as he laughed. That was awesome, Lucy! Now, let's go to our next fun part. Quiz time! Time for a quick quiz. Lucy, are you ready?
Yes, I am super excited, teacher.
That's great! Now, I'll read the question, and you choose the correct answer. Question number 1. What did Rusty have with him?
Letter A. A big flag.
Correct! Next question. Where did Rusty wave the flag?
I know this, teacher. Letter A. In the yard.
Fantastic! One last question. How did Rusty feel about the flag?
Letter A. He was glad.
Perfect! See how stories make phonics fun? Lucy, you did an amazing job today. Did you have fun?
Yes, that was so much fun. Thank you, teacher.
You're very welcome. And thank you, everyone, for joining us today. ESL teachers, stories make phonics fun, interactive, and engaging. Try them in your class and watch your students shine. Want more stories like this? Check out our website at EnglishBrightESL.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ESL teaching tips. See you next time. Goodbye.